Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning, finally. Get ready to go to work right now. It is muggy as anything, and I'm dragging Tuchus. They had the Perseid meteor showers going on right now. I stayed up to watch some, and Lee got up at 2 o'clock in the morning with the girls, or actually with just Jessica, to see them. They didn't get to see much as clouds. So, supposed to be able to see them again tonight. Hopefully, it's a little clearer. I don't know. It's supposed to have thunderstorms throughout the day today. So those clouds usually hang around. Right now, I'm going to be racing some small, but they look like pretty intense rain showers on the way into work. Hopefully, I get there before they get there. Other than that, I'll be watching for the thunderstorms today. If I can videotape any of them, I will show them to you. So I'm gonna head into work. Not much of a battery on my GoPro, so I might not get a full ride in, but like I do every day, dash cam. I'm heading home right now. Got out a couple minutes early. As you can tell, it's very humid. The lens is fogging up. Oh, it's warmer than yesterday. Thunderstorms north of us. Doesn't look like we're going to get them. I'm going to head home because in about a split second, you're not going to be able to see me. So I'm heading home. I'll get with you once I get home. Dash cam. Home, and we're getting a spare thunderstorm right now, as I just showed you in the dash cam coming home. I hope the camera picked up those lightning strikes because they're pretty bright and vivid. Right now I got my GoPro set up with the waterproof case. See if I can catch any thunder on this microphone. We got a pretty good storm coming in. It's coming in from that direction. It's going to be going this way. It is so muggy and humid right now. And right there, that's really dark clouds over there. I think that's where all the rain's going to be. Actually sounds like the thunder's calming down a little bit. It's not as bad as it was. Everything's coming from over there, so I get something. You know, summertime in New England. This is what happens when we get these hot, muggy days. Supposed to have it for the next couple of days. I don't think I'd have enough time to put my drone up. think Lee would shoot me if she found out I did that. She's over at her brother's house right now. She's watching his kids tonight. He's going to Fenway for his birthday. So he's got a little one, and then one Ashley, Jessica's age. I think he's, yeah, same age, just a little bit younger than Jess. So, I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee and see what's happening once that's done. It is lightning out now, really good. Whew. Ooh, get ready. It's gonna be loud.
Was that lightning or did the light turn on?
That was lightning. It's getting like right over us now. Oh, I think I got it too.
Oh my god.
Holy mackerel, I'd say it's right over us now. Another one. Yeah, it's right on the lightning. It's right on top of us now. Gosh. It's still to the north of us. That was a good one. Whoa! I got that one. That was right in the backyard. Holy mackerel! Oh! That was right behind the wood pile. Holy crap! Oh! Well, that was a pretty good thunderstorm. Holy mackerel. Still getting lightning from it. It's got to be about maybe 15 miles away from us now, at least. My GoPro died out. So, had the GoPro out here in the waterproof case. You can hear it. It's still thundering like crazy. So, anyone to the south and east of Burrville right now is going to get nailed. I just looked on the radar, the other storm looks like it petered out, but there's some other ones out there, so we may get another one later on tonight. But that's the worst storm we've had in a while as for lightning and thunder. Haven't done that in a long time. So, but sky's starting to brighten. Sun will probably be out in probably about another 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna cook some supper for me and the girls. Just gonna have some frozen pizzas. So one thing, Lauren liked the rain that we got because it did pour. Wasn't much wind. It wasn't too much. Well, actually, there was a lot of rain, but not as much as I thought. We did have the fire department over towards Spring Lake. Sounded like they left, so it might have just been a false alarm. So hopefully no one's house got hit. I know I was doing a live Periscope and police came flying by. So, but we're still getting a little bit of rain right now, so I'm gonna head in with this camera. Yeah, if we get another storm, I'll do the same thing. Hey everyone, it is 7 o'clock and we got fire engines coming. The thunder is still going like crazy right now. It has not stopped at all. It's one heck of a storm. It's just not moving. There's flooding all over the place. There's a lot of trees down. I don't know whether this mic's picking up the thunder. Let me go loud. See how that is. See whether it picks it up. I just heard the Nasonville alarm going off. Yeah, we got a doozy of a storm that came through. Oh, hold on, my lens is fogging up. Yeah, hopefully that's a little bit better. It's one heck of a storm going on right now. Not bad here, but like I said, I can hear fire engines going. Fire engines stopped. They're probably where they're going. Hopefully everyone's okay. Like I said, it's what, 2.5 hours now the storm's been going on. Well, yeah, 2.5 hours. Holy mackerel. And we got fire engines rolling all over the place. I can still hear them behind me. Just had a flash, a bolt of lightning and thunder about maybe 5 to 10 minutes ago. So hopefully not another house hit. But the fire engines, they sound like they're close. So, it's supposed to be like this again tomorrow. We're supposed to have the heat and the humidity, and it's just, it's August. it's like this in August. So, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna see if the girls want to play cards because Lee's watching her niece and nephew tonight at their house. So it's just us here tonight. So I will try to get back with you throughout the night.